A forklift. It's the lifeblood to any facility. A forklift can do thousands of jobs in a single day. Even the most trained operator, however, can be involved in an accident. In fact, 1 in 10 forklifts are involved in some sort of mishap. These accidents can cause worker injury or death, inventory damage, and higher insurance premiums. Protect your employees and your facility with the lift truck safety light. This weather-resistant light can alert workers walking on foot or other fork truck traffic that a vehicle is entering their space. In especially noisy warehouses and manufacturing plants, this lift truck safety light can be an essential part of your fleet of forklifts.
The light distance varies between 8 to 10 feet. It is based on the positioning of the light, and the color is seen from a distance as a distinguishable blue.
Installation is quick and easy. Mount the light to the forklift with the supplied hardware. Connect the lamp to the electrical system of the vehicle. The closer to the ground the light is mounted, the less distance it will travel. Therefore, adjusting the model to best suit the user's need is crucial. Horns, mirrors, and flashing lights are safety features that your forklift already have installed. The lift truck safety light is another extension for the trained forklift operator to keep themselves safe, along with other employees, and reduce costly inventory. Another safe day operating a forklift thanks to proper training and technology like the lift truck safety light.